Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be reading a book called Antiracist Baby. Antiracist Baby is breed, I'm guessing, like whatever that word is, not born. Antiracist Baby is raised to make society transform. Babies are taught to be racist or anti-racist. There's no neutrality, I'm guessing. Take these 9 steps to make equality reality. 1. Open your eyes to all skin colors. Anti-racist Baby learns all the colors not because race is true. If you claim to be colorblind, you deny what's right in front of you. Yeah, I should have mentioned this before the book started, but just saying. If you don't know what racist mean or race, it means like judging people by the color of your skin, and you might know that this is the color of my skin. Okay, if you claim to be colorblind, you deny what's right in front of you. 2. Use your words to talk about race. No one will see racism, which is the same thing as I talked just a few seconds ago. If we stay silent, if we don't name racism, it won't stop being so violent. 3. Point at policies as a problem, not people. Some people get more while others get less. Because policies don't always grant equal accesses. 4. Shout. There's nothing wrong with people. There's nothing wrong with the people. Even though all races are not treated the same, we are all human. Anti-racist Baby can proclaim. 5. Celebrate all our differences. Anti-racist Baby doesn't see certain groups as better or worse. Anti-racist Baby loves a world that's truly diverse. 6. Knock down the stack of cultural blocks. Anti-racist Baby appreciates how groups speak, dance, and create as they choose. Anti-racist Baby welcomes all groups voicing their unique views. 7. Confess when being racist. Nothing disrupts racism more than we confess the racist ideas that we sometimes express. That's actually rhyming. How to be an anti-racist. Anti-racist Baby is always learning, changing, and growing. Anti-racist Baby stays curious all about people and isn't all-knowing. 9. Believe we shall overcome racism. Anti-racist Baby is filled with the power to transcend my friend, and doesn't judge a book by its cover, but until it's read. They're also, in the last sentence, they're saying, do not judge a book by its cover. Like, for example, people who like Dogman. The next Dogman book, which is releasing in September 1st, 2020, like, the cover looks so cool. Like, people are like, I want to read this. This happened with me a couple, I don't know, the last Dogman book that was released on my birthday. Yay! It looked nice, so I kept staring at the cover all the time. I mean, yeah, like that. And then when I first read the book, I actually knew it wasn't that exciting as I thought. That's basically what they're saying. The end. Yeah, you can read this if you like. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!